You can send emojis in any app on your Mac, and it's actually super easy. I'll show you how to do it across all your apps. First, let's look at something like the Notes app, which doesn't have a dedicated button for emojis. When you're in an app like this, you can add emojis by opening the emoji keyboard. And to do that, you're going to hit this keyboard combination: Control, Command, and the spacebar. Press those three buttons simultaneously, and you'll see this emoji selector open up. Doesn't matter what app you're in. You can either scroll and choose the emoji, or you can use the search bar and describe an emoji, which can often be the faster option. There's just so many of them these days. What's cool about this is that you're essentially typing out emojis like you're typing out text. So if you're in an app like TextEdit that has easy tools for editing your font size, you can highlight your emojis and use the font size tool to make your emojis bigger or smaller, whatever fits your needs. If you're in the Mail app sending out an email, Apple actually included a little emoji button on the top of your window for easy access. Tap that, pick an emoji, and you're good. And again, you can highlight your emojis and make them bigger if you really want to express your feelings. And of course, in the Messages app, it's a similar story. You'll have a dedicated emoji button that opens up the emoji selector. But even when your app has that emoji button, you can still use the keyboard shortcut too. Sometimes hitting the keyboard shortcut can be faster than looking to click a button. And that's how you type and send emojis on a Mac. Click that like button if this helped, drop me an emoji in the comments as a little practice, and subscribe for more guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.